boys and girls, it's science time, and today we get to plant our seeds, so I'm super excited. What you'll need is your bag that has the cup and the soil and the seeds in it, and you'll also need a little bowl or something you can put a little bit of water in. I'm actually just using the top to a peanut butter jar because that's shallow. You just need something that holds a little bit of water. So our first job, come a little closer. Our first job is going to be to get our seeds. So in our seeds, you'll see there are three different kinds. Three different kinds of seeds. Okay, so we have our really big lima beans, and those we're going to put in the water and we're going to soak. We have the middle-sized ones. Those are beans that we're going to plant. And these teeny ones with the black on them are actually marigold seeds. They're going to turn into flowers. Okay, so here we go. So we've got our lima beans. Now tomorrow, we're going to pull these apart. But today they're really hard. If you use your fingernail and try to poke at them, they're very hard. So we are going to soak these until tomorrow. And then tomorrow we'll get to carefully open them up and see what's on the inside of the seed. So I'm going to put my 2 lima beans in water. I'll have to add a little more water because you want to make sure. Our cameraman is new this morning. So we want to make sure the water covers up the seeds, okay? Our next job is to put soil in the cups. So we have 2 cups because we're planting 2 different kinds of plants. And so you have enough soil in your bag to put in both cups. So I'm going to pour half in one and half in the other. And notice I got a great big clump, so I'm just going to break that apart because a great big clump is not that useful when we're planting seeds. Look at, I have a giant stick in my soil, which we don't want. Okay, so I'm going to move my soil so that it's pretty even. We want about the same amount in both. Pretty close. If your fingers are dirty like mine, that's okay. All right, our next job is to plant. Now, for our bean seeds, the ones that look like this, we want to plant them about this far down in the soil. So we want to make a little hole with our finger, and I'm going to put those in the little hole like that, and then I'm going to cover them up. We want to make sure that they're down in there a little bit so that you can't see them anymore. Okay, now our flower seeds are a little more delicate. That means they'll break easier because look how flimsy they are. They're teeny tiny seeds. I have 3 in my bag. I'm not sure how many are in your bag. Okay, so for these, I'm just gonna go like that. I'm not even gonna really make a hole. I'm just gonna move a little soil because these we don't wanna plant deep at all. We want them to be very close to the surface. So I'm gonna spread them out a little bit. And then I'm just going to take a little clump of soil, see them in there? I'm gonna take this little clump and I'm just gonna sprinkle it over the top. And that's it. I'm not gonna push them down at all because we don't wanna push those ones down. All right, now I'm gonna go get a little bit of water and put it on there. Probably about this much. Pour it on this one, pour it on this one. And then I'm gonna put them in the window so that they get some sun. When it's warm outside, maybe you could even set them outside. But since they're in paper cups, we wanna make sure like they're not in the rain or anything because they'll probably fall apart. So put them in a sunny window because remember what plants need. They need soil. They need air. They need, what's up in the sky? Sun. And what's the 4th thing? They need water. So make sure you put some water on those. Tomorrow, we're gonna write about how to plant a seed. So you're gonna need to think about all the things we did to plant our seeds. And tomorrow we'll write about it. All right, have a great day.